ACF here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful piece of room decor. And it's also a great gifting option. You can write a card saying every flower reminds you of them and gift it to that special person. We'll need a rectangular sheet of green colored paper and a rectangular sheet of any other color and a small piece of a different colored rectangular sheet and some glue, a pencil and a pair of scissors. I'm going to fold this rectangular sheet into half. I'm going to cut about 3/4. Now I'm going to open it and I'm going to stick this sheet of paper approximately 1/2 centimeter above the bottom line. Now let's pick it up and roll it inwards. And let's glue the edge. Let's leave this aside for a while. I'm bringing back our rectangular sheet of orange paper. Fold it into half and further into half and further into another half. Now open it up and fold it alternatingly. Now I'm going to draw a small flower and cut it out. Now I'm going to take a thin sheet of yellow paper and fold it into half and further into a half and cut out a circle. I've made 2 other flowers. Let's bring this back. And now I'm going to put some glue and stick it. You can use different colored flowers or you can use the same color. We're done making this beautiful decor piece. If you like this video, please give this video a big thumbs up and smash that subscribe button for more art and craft content. Thank you so much for watching.